what's going on, everybody? Casey, Rockstarflipper. Today is August 8th, 2018. Welcome in, everybody. And it's been a lot of negative. I promised you guys positive videos, and the title of the video is Fix It or Fail, and most of you are still doing the same thing you've been doing. Buying, selling, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, and you're not changing anything, even though the layout, the topography of online reselling has changed. And if you don't fix things, if you don't change, you don't, the old adapt or get eaten type thing, it really applies here, because honestly, things have changed. Things are different. Merchandise that's selling is different. Merchandise that's not selling is different. The platforms are different. The rules are different. The fees are different. And if you don't change and you don't make the fixes that need to be fixed, and quickly, don't sit around and wait for them to force it on you. Make those changes to start with. Start buying new inventory. Start buying cheaper inventory. Start buying more expensive inventory. Start buying more inventory. Start doing more listings. Start doing quality listings. Start, if you never did free shipping, try free shipping. If you've never done best offer, try best offer. If you're sharing your closet once on Poshmark, share it twice, share it 3 times. If you don't make that many offers, make a ton of offers on Poshmark. If you've never tried clothes, try buying clothes. If you've never bought hard goods, try buying hard goods. There's a million things you can do to switch. Try private label, try wholesale, try pallets. The bottom line is, guys, that things are changing. The resale world is changing right in front of our eyes. 2018 will be looked upon as the year where eBay and even Amazon to a point, but mostly eBay, changed the way they're doing business. And I know that there have been times in the past when eBay has changed, certain features of the platform and certain features of payments and PayPal and this and that. There's never been a year, and I've been on eBay for a solid 10 years, there's never been a year that this many changes, this quickly, this drastic, and this big have happened all within a 12-month period. I mean, go back to eBay Open 2017, exactly 1 year ago, fast forward to now, and look at everything that has changed since the fall 2017 seller update, the spring 2018 update, the summer 2018 update, all the way back to that fall 2017 update, and you'll see just how many things have changed. I mean, check out my videos and check out, just the fall and spring updates. It's crazy what amount of things have gone in different directions on eBay, and eBay is an ever changing, ever mutating being thing. So you have to fix what's not working, and if you just sit there and continue to do what you're doing and sales are going down, you'll never fix it, you'll never get back to even. There's that thunder I tell you guys about, and you'll never certainly go up. So the biggest business advice I can give you guys, today, for anybody who's flooding my inbox, literally, I've almost stopped looking at my phone. I still answer the messages and emails, but it's getting overwhelming. You guys asking me what to do. You're struggling. You're not making enough for bills. You quit your job. Now you're in a bad position. On and on and on. Is that if it's not working, fix it. The old adage, if it's not broken, don't fix it. Well, it's broken, and a lot of you are broken, and you gotta fix it. So you've got to take all the steps. My recommendation is make a list of everything you could do. If you don't do free shipping, write it down. I could do free shipping. I could buy hard goods instead of clothes. I could buy more expensive items. And then write down the pros and cons of each one of those, to the left and to the right, and write down what things are stopping you from doing that, or what things are not stopping you from doing that. Maybe you don't have money to buy more expensive inventory. Maybe you don't have money to buy more inventory. Maybe you don't want to do best offer because your prices are super low as it is. Maybe you need to buy better inventory, more expensive inventory, so you can do best offer. Maybe you need to raise your prices and then do best offer. Instead of doing $10, buy it now, you need to do $15 best offer. And maybe people will put the offer in for $10 and you'll sell the item. Whatever it is you have to do, if you don't fix it, you're gonna fail. And if you're failing right now, it means your business needs to be fixed. Anytime that you see a downturn, if there's a down arrow with a red number next to it that says you're down from last year, last month, last week, yesterday, whatever, you're failing. You're absolutely failing. You should be going up every single day. There's always days where we have, bad days, this, that, you're sick, you don't work that much, maybe it's just a slow day in general, but you shouldn't have a complete arrow going down. So fix it or fail, guys. That's the lesson of the day. Fix it or fail. And hopefully you guys are able to fix it, because I don't want to see any of you guys fail. I want you to make it. So enjoy what little bit of this day we have left, I'm gonna finish watching the sunset. It's getting close, and I'm gonna go make some fixes to my business right now because I need to make some money and I don't want to fail. I'll talk to you guys very soon. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you like it, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel for more positive videos, I promise you, coming out in the very near future, including this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.